trap, nigga. Now I got me some floor seats at the game, tryna go bad, nigga. Got me feeling like Spike Lee on the wood, smoking on Pat, nigga. Drunk texting my wifey, so I know I'll get a text back, nigga. 45.
Hi guys, how are you everybody? How are you boo-boos? How are you honeys? This is Nikita right here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you sweetheart for stopping by, because I assure you you're gonna love it here. So please and please again, do well to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime that I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, all right, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. Okay, you are the real deal, you are the best. Thank you guys. And in today's video, okay, in one of my previous videos, I think one of the recent ones, I told you guys I was going to make a video on how to install your closure wig like a frontal, or how to wear your closure wig to make it seem or look like a frontal. Okay, so I'm here today to do that for you, and please do well to stay tuned. Do not go anywhere. Let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so this is the wig. I used this wig for one of my ponytail tutorials on this channel, and I have transformed it into a wig. Okay, so it's a 4-bundle Peruvian body wave, and yeah, it came with a closure. This didn't come with a frontal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this to make it look like a frontal. Okay, all right, so let's get right into the video. We are going to need this Nova Gold professional styling mousse. Here is it. Okay, and we'll need a got to be good spray, and we'll also need any gel of your choice. Okay, I am using Garnier Pure Clean Styling Gel. Okay, I feel like the styling gel isn't so necessary, but it might come in handy. Okay, so let's just keep it around. All right. Dry it, or you can just scarf it down so that it lays well. Okay, normally I'll dry it, but today I can't get up and go and blow any dryer, so I'm going to use the scarf to do justice to it. Okay, so normally I'll use the mousse to lay this flat. Okay, the first time I was wearing it, this part was kind of very puffy, so I used the mousse to lay it down, but today I think it's fine, so I'm going to leave it like this without spraying the mousse on there. I think we are good this way. use a little bit to kill or lay down the flyaways. Just a little bit, because to tame the flyaways. Okay, so yeah, I think, yeah. So then I have my scarf. I'm going to use it to just lay this down while I do other things. So you guys are going to see me in a minute. Okay, I'm back, guys. So let's take this off. Let's see what's up. Okay, we come forward. Okay, so this is it, guys. And yeah, that is it. How to install a closure wig like a frontal. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please do well to, if you like this video, please do well. Don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, give this video a thumbs up. It is so important. If you feel that you like the video, don't hesitate, okay, to hit the thumbs up button. Okay, it is important. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed up till now too, it's no big deal. You can still subscribe. Subscription is free. It doesn't cost a dime. Okay, so just hit the subscribe button over there. Click on the notification bell to be notified anytime, any day that I post a new video.